So these are all my ingredients for my pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. And I've already mixed everything. I weighed it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these in the oven and then I'm gonna go back and scan all these in and show you how I do that with my These ingredients do not need to be put in because there is no macros to them. They're zero everything. So you don't need to worry about any of those. These ones we will track in Myfitnesspal. So once they're all baked, then what I do is I put my plate on the scale, I have it zeroed out, and then I'm going to basically weigh how much they are done after they're baked. And then I go and I adjust the recipe in Myfitnesspal to the grams of how much this is gonna weigh. And because each muffin weighs slightly different, so the macro is going to be a little bit different. Or you can make it easy and you can just put in that recipe makes 12 servings, and it's the easier way. This is kind of a little bit more accurate. So these muffins weigh 655 grams, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you how I adjust the recipe.